Okay, we're gonna cut the net off of this squishy. These were only $1 at Five Below. They had so many more. They had like confetti ones, glitter ones, and then they had like a bunch of different colors of these ones. Ooh, it feels like slime. Get the rest of the net off. I don't want to cut the squishy. Oh, it has black hairs on it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's good. I like that. And so this video is like more fun. I'm gonna like show like some other things I got. So I got this cute little baby, and I got the big like pink baby. Then I got the purple one. I got the gummy bear. It smells so good. And then I'm gonna open the pink gummy bear actually right now. Okay. Ooh. It's so cute and it's really good. Nice and sugar squishy. And then these are some dumplings. Oh, you can't see them. But I got this like curl one. Whoa, I didn't realize that. Look at it says Armis on the dumpling. Wait, what else does it say? The original squishy dumpling. That's really cute. Does the other ones do that? No. No. Oh, this one does. Armis, the original squishy dumpling. Probably because they're like from the same series. Yeah, I got two of like the Starlight Glow series. They had 3 per person. They had like 8 cases, and it was so good actually. And I got these cute little dogs. Got the purple gummy bear, and I love everything that I got so much.